Greetings of peace to all my brothers and sisters all around the world. From last many years, I always felt a need to connect with you all, because when I got the knowledge that we are all souls playing different parts in this world drama, and we have one parent, that is God, the Supreme Soul. That means whoever is alive on this planet Earth are all souls occupying different bodies and enjoying life on this planet. This knowledge has changed my outlook towards life, my attitude towards life, and my attitude towards others. And our Supreme Parent, God, Supreme Soul, He has given this knowledge that the original quality of a soul is peace, and peace alone. That's why we always keep craving for peace. We keep searching for peace in people, in objects, and from our life situations, and from pilgrim places, places of worship. Because whether it is a temple or mosque or church, the atmosphere is different. And when you go to spiritual places or ashrams, you will feel the peace, because there you are able to connect with your own originality, your own original nature, that is peace. So Supreme Soul, Almighty, tells us that you don't need to search for something which is your property from anything outside, because it's your nature, it's inside you. You just need the technique to feel it whenever you want, or always, because that's what we crave for. So through meditation, let us learn to connect with the Supreme Power, the powerhouse of peace, as God is called the ocean of peace. And through connecting with Him, we will be able to feel our own peace. And irrespective of whatever is happening outside, we will be able to keep the stable state of mind. When you learn this technique, slowly your dependency on other things or addictions will start diminishing, because every soul originally wants love and care, which we get very less from the outside world. That's why relationships keep breaking, because expectations are not met. So, through meditation, we will connect with the Supreme Power and fill ourselves with peace and love, so that we can be always happy. That's my objective of connecting with you. Whatever I have learned or experienced through meditation, I want to keep sharing with you. And together we all can make this planet a better one, a more beautiful one. So let's keep trying towards that. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Love you all. Om Shanti. I am a peaceful soul.